In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo account. To begin, open your web browser and go to klaviyo.com. This is the official Klaviyo website, so it is the best place to start when you are setting up a new account. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started option and select it. This will take you to the account creation screen. Now you will enter the basic details Klaviyo needs to create your account. First, type in the email address you want to use for this Klaviyo login. It is a good idea to use an email you check regularly, especially if you will be managing campaigns, receiving notifications, or resetting access later. Next, create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, make sure it is something you can store safely and access when needed. A strong password helps protect your account, especially since marketing platforms often connect to store data and customer information. After that, enter your company website. This should be the main website for your business or store, because Klaviyo uses it to understand your brand and help guide setup, especially when you connect to an online selling platform later. Double-check for typing mistakes here, because an incorrect website can slow down parts of the onboarding process. Once all three fields are filled out, go ahead and select Create Account. Klaviyo will process your information and begin setting up your new workspace. Give it a moment to load and keep your browser tab open so you do not interrupt the setup. After your account is created, you will be prompted to choose a platform to connect. In this example, select Shopify as your platform. When you choose Shopify, look for the Connect option and select it. This is what links your store to Klaviyo, so your customer and order data can sync properly for email and SMS marketing. Make sure you are signed in to the correct store account before you connect, so you attach the right shop to the right Klaviyo workspace. Once the connection is complete, your Klaviyo account is ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.